To redeem and use a 20 USDT coupon on Bybit, start by opening your browser and navigating to bybit.com. Log into your account using your credentials. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to sign up by providing your email address and setting up your profile. Once logged in, locate your profile icon in the top right corner of the homepage. Click it, then select My Rewards from the drop-down menu. This action will redirect you to the Rewards Hub, where you'll see the available 20 USDT coupon provided as a welcome gift. Simply click on the Claim button to activate this reward. After claiming the coupon, press the Use button next to it. You'll be redirected to the derivatives trading page. Wait a few moments for the page to fully load. Once it does, you'll find the derivatives trading overview section that provides details about trading. Review this information, and when ready, click Complete to proceed. On the right side of your screen, locate the trading options. To utilize the coupon, click the section labeled Order by Quantity and adjust the preference to Order by Value. Confirm this selection by pressing Confirm. Next, input the value you wish to trade with the coupon, such as 10 USDT. Confirm your choice and finalize the action by selecting the Buy Long button. After confirming, your trade will be initiated, effectively using part or all of your 20 USDT coupon. Congratulations. You have now successfully redeemed and utilized your Bybit coupon. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.